Welcome. In front of me I have a Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon and tap on it to open the application. It should be somewhere here in this menu. Here it is. So let's tap on the icon. And that's how the main page of the Huawei Health app looks like, the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, and here you should see your Huawei Watch 4 Pro on the list of devices. Tap on it. On this page, tap on the icon in the top right corner to open the menu, and tap on Unpair device. And tap on Unpair. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. You can close the app, and it will probably reset itself to the factory default settings. Let's see. Will it? Oh, it won't actually. So never mind, it will just disconnect from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.